In front of us, we have question 1 of exercise 3.1. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times old as you will be. So, represent this equation algebraically and graphically. So, now let's, Aftab's present age is x years and Aftab's daughter's present age is y years. And 7 years ago, 7 years ago, according to question we have to find 7 years ago Aftab age x minus 7, daughter's age y minus 7. Now according to question, 7 years ago I was 7 times. 7 years ago he was 7 times as old as you were then. 7 times of her daughter's age. Okay. Now also 3 years from now, 3 years later, Aftab age x plus 3, daughter's age y plus 3. And according to question, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. What he is saying that Aftab will be 3 times more than her daughter's age. So according to question, this is our second equation. This is our first, we will solve this equation. X plus 3, 3y, multiply 3 in the bracket terms. This is 9. Now rearrange the equation. X plus 3, 3y minus 3y equals to 9 minus 3 is 6. So this is our second equation. And our first equation is, we will solve this equation here. X minus 7, 7y minus 49. Now rearrange the equation. X minus 7 by minus 49 plus 7 will be minus 42. So this is our first equation. So these are the algebraic representation of the situation. You can write here like this: equation 1 and 2 are algebraic representation of situation. Now graphical representation is, for graphical representation we will put some value of x in both the equation and we will get y value. First equation is x minus 7y minus 42. So we will put some x value and we will get y. How? We will see here x and y. Suppose x is 0. If x is 0, x 0 minus 7y minus 42. So y becomes 6. If x is 0, y is 6. Now let's take x is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 minus 7y minus 42. So minus 7y equals to minus 7 plus 7 is 35. minus 35. Now y becomes 5. So here y is 5. Now for x is equal to, suppose we take x as a 7. So for x is equal to 7, 7 minus 7y minus 42. So 7y minus 42 minus 7 is minus 49. So 7y equals to 7 and y becomes, here 49. So y becomes 7. So y value is 7. This is for our first equation. Now second equation is x minus 3y equals to 6. So for value of, we will put value of x and we will get the value of y. Here x and y. Now suppose x is 0. If x is 0, y will be minus 2. Minus 2. Now if x is minus 3, minus 3 minus 3y equals to 6, minus 3y minus 9, y equals to minus 3. So for x is equal to minus 3, y also minus 3. Now if x is equal to 6, 0 minus 3y equals to 6, so y equals to minus 2. If x is 6, so it will be minus 3y equals to 0, so y equals to 0. So y value is 0. Now we will put this values of x and y in the graph. Put all the points, represent all the points of x and y on the graph, and then start the first. Here x is 0, y is 6. X is 0, this is the origin, this is the point, and y is 6, and this is the point. Here it is, this point meets here 0, 6. Now next is x is minus 7, y is 5. X is minus 7, thus, and y is 5, positive. So here it is. Now next is 7, x is 7, y is 7. X is 7, x is 7 at this axis, at this direction, and y is 7, this point. This is the point. Now join the points. So this is the line for the equation x minus 7y equals to minus 42. Here xy is this 0, 6, and minus 7. This is the point, minus 7 and 5. Now next is 7, 7. Now next equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6. Here x is 0, y is minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2. This is the point. X is minus 3. Y is minus 3. Next is x is 6. Y is 0. Now join the points. This is -3, -3, 0, -2. This is 6 and 0. The name of the line is, this line is for x minus 3y is equal to 6. So this is the graphical representation of the situation.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.computationlife.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.